If your cleaning method does not deliver the desired results, try adjustments before giving up on the job. First, confirm the surface type and the soil chemistry because matching cleaner to stain is the fastest path to success. For protein stains like food or blood, use an enzyme detergent and work from the outside toward the center to avoid spreading. For oil and grease, apply a solvent-based degreaser or a high alkaline cleaner with agitation using a soft brush or microfiber pad. Then rinse with warm water. For mineral scale, use a diluted acid cleaner such as citric acid or white vinegar. Allow appropriate contact time, then rinse thoroughly and neutralize if needed. Always test any product in an inconspicuous spot and read the manufacturer instructions for dwell time and dilution to avoid damage. When a porous surface is involved, blot liquids rather than rub, and consider repeated short treatments to draw out deep soils without oversaturating the material. Common mistakes include scrubbing too hard and causing surface abrasion, which often looks like failure when the cleaning method is actually damaging the finish. Reduce pressure, switch to a gentler pad, and focus on solvent action rather than brute force. Another is using the wrong product type, such as alkaline cleaners on acid-sensitive materials, which can create residue or etching. Stop, rinse thoroughly, neutralize if needed, and select a cleaner formulated for that surface. A third issue is insufficient dwell time, where cleaners are wiped up too soon and do not break down soils. Allow the recommended contact time, monitor the area, and reapply if the stain is stubborn. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide a place where people can discuss cleaning strategies, product experiences, and project troubleshooting. We help contractors find work by listing opportunities and fostering community conversations that turn into leads for real jobs.